Hello, welcome to my tutorial. So now in this tutorial, I assume you already finished creating your 6 different sizes prism. Now, by the time you creating those boxes, you probably writing down the length, width, and height. And for some of you, you even already work out the volume, and you writing down those information, in your workbook. So now in this tutorial, I will going to show you how will you going to analyze those data by using a spreadsheet. Can we please all go to the search bar, just search Excel, EXCEL. Then we select Excel 2016. Click it. Okay, so now we active the Excel. Okay, so what kind of information we have to put it in? Of course, the data which you wrote it in your workbook, and you can put it into here. So we're creating the label, the field name, called length, and the other file B1 we call it width. Then C1 height. Then D1 we call it volume. Okay, volume. If you want, you can create a table and draw the border. Okay, make it look more professional. So you just enter the data which you measured into here. Now, because I don't have any data, I just assume, the length is 2, and the width is 3, and the height is 5. Then we work out volume. Working out volume in spreadsheet, we can use a formula. Now we go to the formula bar here, and by single click, then you type the equation symbol in the formula bar. Then, as I mentioned in the other tutorial, if we work out the volume for a rectangular prism or for the cube, we can use length multiply width multiply height. So therefore, we have to pick those values from here. Length, it is in cell A2, so we click it. Then multiplication symbol is on the keyboard. Click Shift key, and by the time you click 8, the 8 the key on your keyboard. So multiply, then B1, then another multiplication symbol, then multiply the height. After that, do not use your pointer to click any other places. The computer will automatically think, oh, the cell you click it, that's a part of the formula. That's what we don't want. Okay, so just click the Enter key on the keyboard. Now we see, okay, so the volume for here, it is 30. So if I have like any other value, for example, 4 here, length is 4, width is 6, and height, it is 10. Okay, then what's the volume? Now, you don't have to type this formula again. You just click cell D2 and see, after you click it, you will see on the right-hand side corner here, it changed to a little square. So you move your pointer to there and click on this square and drag it down. So that means, okay, now all the formula, we will duplicate this formula for the other cells as well. So if you enter the other value here, it will automatically, work out the volume for you. Okay, so that's how to use the spreadsheets. Now, I prepared a worksheet in day map. So the worksheet is called Volume Practice, M&Ms. So this one, you might be, finish practicing these worksheets before you move to next step for your assignment. And of course, please don't forget to write your journal for each single lesson, writing down the date and also writing down the key ideas which you need to cover in the journal. Okay, so like those key ideas here. Also, photographs are always a good idea as evidence. Okay, so now that's pretty much all from me. If you have any questions, I mean, you can write it down and we can solve it together next lesson. Thank you guys and good luck.